Hi guys, and you're welcome to Chichi Blog. So today marks the first anniversary of late Sultan. Yeah, so many people didn't know that on this day in history we lost this great singer by stage name Sultan. His real name being Olanrewaju Fasasi, although popularly known as Sultan. So we lost him on the 11th of January 2021 last year, and to commemorate the event, guys, his family is set to release the album. That's the last album the singer was working on before his demise. The listening party for the album Reality CHQ was held across 3 cities on Sunday night, being yesterday. The event was held in New York, London, and in the Victoria Island in Lagos State also. In a video on Sultan's page, his brother Babade, who spoke to from the listening party in New York, noted that the album was a special project, and he said that we are having the 1-year remembrance of Sultan, the great iconic Nigerian singer, and we are having his official listening party for the album Reality CHQ. This was the album Sultan was working on before he answered the call of the Almighty God. This is a very special project. That was how he put it. I promised myself this project will come out and people will get to hear the voice of Sultan, and it's coming out on the 11th of July, being today. So guys, stay tuned to this channel so I bring it to you also the video. So Sultan died of throat cancer last year, being the 11th of July 2021 in the United States, and he was buried there according to Islamic rites. So guys, enjoy this video coming up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn your bell icon. Please give your boy a thumbs up, and until next time.
Alright guys, we're back live. So sorry, the other session expired, but we're back live right now.
Check out it in sorrow. What's in sorrow?
It's on.
Okay, he's talking now.
Yeah,
okay, don't try to batch it.
This is the family.
Only we from
Chichi is not gonna take it, not right now.
You're not mute. It's not even mute. It's not even mute. Right.
We can hear you. Okay. Just keep it on. Keep your side on mute, please.
No. I saw my play, but boy, I talk about it.
And it's quite unfortunate that we cannot be present there.